Can you see SHEIN checkout error solutions? Well, the answer is yes. If you're having any kinds of problem during the checkout page, if you're having any kinds of problem on the checkout page of the SHEIN app, first make sure that your internet connection is stable. Swipe down on your control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on. And if it is turned on, is not working still, what you want to do is you want to simply go to your shipping address. Shipping address is complete. You want to simply go to the Me option over here inside the application, tap on settings, and here you want to simply tap on address book over here. If your shipping address is correct, you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem on the checkout as well. This is also a reason sometimes the application malfunctions. After that, you want to simply check things like your payment method, if it is still valid or not. Check that item that you have ordered, if it is still in stock or not. And these are the things that affect your checkout errors. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.